Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to generate and add any object to your photo completely for free. The same feature in Photoshop requires a paid subscription, but Adobe Express lets you use it with a limited number of free AI generations every day. Go to the Adobe Express website. You'll find the link in the description. Upload your photo, click Edit Original Image, and select the Insert Object tool. Now, paint over the area where you want to add the new object. Next, enter your prompt describing what you want to generate and click Insert. In just a few seconds, Adobe Express will create 3 different results. Choose the one you like best, click Keep, and then download your image. As you can see, the generated object blends into the photo really well. If you'd like to learn more about other Adobe Express features, such as remove object or background removal, check out the videos linked in the top right corner or in the description. See you in the next one.